morning, guys. Me and my son, we are going to do 3 appointments today. First one, it's a Nissan. I'm working on it a couple days ago, and I had a couple video. I started with the lug nut key removal, oil change, battery replacement. Then I've changed the radiator, and I'm going to change the valve covers today. A couple tips I'm going to show you guys when I get there. Tip. 3 tips. This is an old car. I don't want to break those connectors because it's already dry. This is a problem. Breaking. Can't put the bag properly. Create more problems. Yep. Just make sure to do this slowly. Take your time. Don't rush it. Injector connectors. Disconnect the injectors, all of them. Gently. Another tip, whenever you remove the bolts like this, make sure to put them back in the same place because you don't want to lose them or you don't want to mix them. And always, if you leave them loose like this, always remind you something goes, because I had this problem before. I keep forgetting stuff, and I have another video. My mechanic, he went to the valve cover gasket and he didn't put this tube connector back, and the car started misfiring after the valve cover gasket. Guys, do you remember I told you guys about the one experience that I had before? This is the PCV hose, this one. This always breaks, and I picked up this hose from the dealer even though I didn't tell the customer, just in case. If it breaks, I'm gonna put it, and even if the customer doesn't pay. Guys, another tip. Whenever you do valve cover gasket, it's good to offer the spark plug replacement. Grab 6 spark plugs already because they're good condition. I'm not gonna touch them. I'll put them back, and she doesn't need the spark plug. Animal nest here. I'm afraid something bite me.
What's like 500 baby rats and spiders in that?
You have to make sure always put the bolts with the hands that this fuse red. Don't just go straight with them. You may strip them, and you're gonna get a bigger problem. And for valve cover gasket, whenever you tighten the bolts, go from the middle, extend it to the outside. don't tight it from outside to inside. That's wrong because it's gonna bend the valve cover. Start from the middle, go like across, go from inside to outside. Same thing with the intake from inside to the outside. Yeah? This too, do you remember? I told you. It's always living like that, reminding you something else. Make sure always don't put the covers, don't anything back, just start the car and make sure all the connectors installed, everything is working properly as it should. No smoking, no leaking, nothing. Check all the connectors, hoses, coolant hoses, bolts, make sure all of them are tight in place. Alright guys, I hope you learned some value in this video. Job that I did on the Nissan Murano, I got done. But the funny thing is, the lady, she came out when I told her just I'm done, she got surprised and she said, okay, less labor then. No, not really. So, if you have another appointment,